When I am ninja, he is ninja, she is ninja too. I am ninja, we are ninja, and I believe that you are ninja too.
Matt asks a ninja. Ninjas are so cool. You all must be metal, can play guitar, and be able to shred like no other. Please tell me this is true. I'd be a lion if I said I didn't have any Dokken, Slipknot, or all of Poison's greatest hits on my iPod Ninja. An iPod Ninja is like an iPod Nano, except it's 1,000,000 times thinner, has awesome vid capabilities, and is a usable shuriken. Metal is an awesome ally of the ninja. Because of the loudness, it makes it much easier to sneak up on people and kill them. It really gets you pumped when you're going out for an evening where I'm like dun 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 rocket! I'm flying before I even leave my dojo. For years we've been using the Warp Tour as a training exercise. Never mosh with a ninja. We'll kill you. Oh boy, I can't believe I'm doing this. But like all metal, I had that bad 80s hair. This is me out front of Rainbow. Oh no, it might be Coconut Teaser. Hey, you know what? If you can remember metal in the 80s, you weren't there. As to whether we can play guitar or shred, anytime you see a hard rocker throw his hair over his head and drop into some mind-numbing demon flavor, he is channeling a ninja. No human can play like Eddie. That was me, baby. My nickname used to be Shredder, before that rat bastard took it away from me. Steve Vai's character in the 1986 classic Crossroads was based on me, except I never lost anything to Ralph Macchio. Macchio! 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 Crane. I'll show you a crane. All kick-ass metal has ninja influence to it, but when a metal band sells out or starts acting like idiots, that's when the ninja pulls back their skills and the band suddenly falls into suctitude. Metallica, after they did Lollapalooza, we were like, forget it. That drummer from Def Leppard cut his arm off. That was a warning. If you've got black in your name, you're good. You're solid with us. But if you've got white in your name, you are walking a fine line, baby. If you're your White Snake or your Great White, all I'm saying is if you're playing a small club, we might be messing with your pyrotechnics. Thanks for the question. I look forward to making your ears bleed soon. Rocket!